Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about analyzing advertising reports on Amazon. Let's dive in. If you are following along from my screen, we're going to delve into the world of advertising reports on Amazon. Understanding and analyzing these reports is crucial for optimizing your PPC campaigns and ensuring you're getting the best return on your investment. Let's start with sponsored products reports. Amazon provides several types of reports under this category. Search term report. This report shows you which search terms shoppers use to find your ads and how those terms performed in terms of clicks, conversions, and sales. Targeting report. This report helps you understand how your different targeting options, like manual and automatic targeting, are performing. Advertised product report. Here, you can see the performance of each individual product that you're advertising. Campaign report. This provides an overview of each campaign's performance, helping you see which campaigns are driving the most results. Budget report. This helps you track your spending and budget allocation for each campaign. Placement report. This report shows how your ads are performing in different placements, like top of search or product pages. Purchase product report. This report shows you which products were purchased as a result of your ads. Performance over time report. This provides a time-based view of your campaign's performance. Search term, impression, share report. This report shows the percentage of total impressions your ads received for specific search terms. Gross and invalid traffic report. This helps you identify and understand any invalid clicks or traffic your ads might have received. Now let's move on to sponsored brands reports. Keyword report. This shows you the performance of keywords you've targeted in your sponsored brands campaigns. Keyword placement report. This helps you see how your keywords are performing in different placements. Campaign report. Similar to sponsored products, this provides an overview of each campaign's performance. Campaign placement report. This shows how your campaigns are performing in different placements. Search term report. This shows you the search terms that triggered your sponsored brands ads. Search term impression share report. This report shows the percentage of total impressions your ads received for specific search terms. Category benchmark report. This helps you compare your performance against category benchmarks. Attributed purchases report. This shows you which purchases can be attributed to your sponsored brands ads. Gross and invalid traffic report. This helps you identify any invalid clicks or traffic your ads might have received. Finally, let's talk about sponsored display reports. Campaign report. This provides an overview of your sponsored display campaign's performance. Targeting report. This shows you how your targeting options are performing. Advertised product report. This provides performance data for each product you're advertising. Purchase product report. This shows which products were purchased as a result of your sponsored display ads. Matched target report. This report shows how your ads performed when matched with specific targeting criteria. Gross and invalid traffic report. This helps you identify and understand any invalid clicks or traffic your ads might have received. Pricing transparency report. This report provides insights into the pricing of your ads and how it impacts performance. By regularly analyzing these reports, you can gain valuable insights into how your ads are performing, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns. And that's it for today's overview of Amazon advertising reports. Using these insights, you can better understand your campaign performance and take steps to maximize your ROI. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.